In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import .csv file on Mailchimp. We'll go from the Mailchimp dashboard to a successful upload, and I'll share practical tips to avoid common import errors so your list is ready to use right away. Before we start, a quick note on CSV files. A CSV is a simple spreadsheet saved as comma-separated values. It's ideal for contact lists because every column becomes a field and every row becomes a contact. Save your file in UTF-8 encoding if possible, and make sure you have a clear header row with labels like email address, first name, and last name. Keep one contact per row and remove any blank lines. Once you're signed in, look at the left pane and click Audience. This section is the home for all your contacts. At the top right, click Add Contacts and choose Import Contacts. This tells Mailchimp you're bringing in a batch rather than typing people in one by one. On the import screen, select Upload File. This option is perfect when you already have a CSV ready to go. Now upload your file. Either drag it into the window or browse your computer to select it. Give it a moment to process. To make sure the import goes smoothly, follow the format Mailchimp provides. If you're unsure, compare your CSV to Mailchimp's sample format. The email address column should be present and spelled exactly. Avoid merged cells, formulas, or special characters in your headers. Dates should use a consistent format. Phone numbers should include country codes if you plan to use them, and any tags or groups you plan to use should be clearly indicated in their own columns. Remove duplicates and obvious typos before you upload. Mailchimp uses the email address to identify unique contacts, so cleaning beforehand prevents clutter. Only import contacts who have given you permission to email them. This protects your sender reputation and helps your campaigns land in the inbox. If Mailchimp flags an issue during processing, note the message, adjust your CSV in your spreadsheet tool, save it again as a CSV, and re-upload. That's the whole process. Go to Audience, click Add Contacts, choose Import Contacts, pick Upload File, and upload your CSV while following Mailchimp's recommended format. With a clean file and the right headings, your contacts will be ready for campaigns, segments, and automations in minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy importing.